Hi guys, I'm going to show you the Samsung USB Type-C cable and the Samsung earphone which I purchased from Samsung showroom. So just let's see that how it looks and what is the price for these items. First of all, let's see the USB Type-C cable. So before opening, let's see the price for this. So this is the item we received and the price is 550. So that's a price for this item. Now let's open and see how the type C cable looks here. So this is the Samsung original type C cable. Let's see the gate. So it has the gate for that. Then we have the type C cable. So this is a Samsung original Samsung type C cable, and it's the other end is like this. So the main thing which we need, note that it doesn't have the adapter, it has only the type C cable. Okay, so that is what we just need to note. Okay, next let's see that the earphone, Samsung earphone, it's original item, and if you are interested to know the model, it's EHS64 and the price is 449 rupees. So this is the item. So let's open and have a look on this. Okay, let's see that. Okay, let's open it. Yeah, so this is the packet and this is the headphone, and it has two pairs, two earbuds. Okay, so let's open and see the things. So this is the earphone. So this is the edge. So it looks like this. Samsung earphone. It's very soft, and I guess it will be fitting correctly. And it is very soft. Looks like it's very soft only. So that's all. Mic. Let's see the mic. This is the mic, and this is the mic, and this is the volume controller. These are the items we just open it, and this is the earphone, Samsung earphone, and this is a Samsung type C cable, and model is EHS64, and the good thing is we will be getting 1 year warranty if any issues happen within a year. That's all guys, thank you.